What's up, guys? It's Two Wheel Beast here. We're gonna do the zero gravity double bubble windscreen install today.
Double bubble.
Double bubble. But we're gonna do the tank grips in a separate video, and then the quad lock in a separate video, so you guys can just get a simple installation process. All right, guys. So you're gonna need a T10. It's like one of the stars. For these here, and then so we're gonna take all of these out, and then I'll get back to you. This one, we might have to go bigger on this one. We're gonna yeah, it's stripped. Yeah, there you go. Oh, all right, guys. So we took out this the T screws. One was stripped, so we went up a size. It was like T10, but it's I just shoved a T15. Whoever put it in, like from the factory or the dealership or whatever, they stripped it. That's kind of annoying, but we'll probably change that to like an Allen bolt or something. But now, since we got this out, we're gonna you just give it a little tug, pull her out. Just be careful, try not to scratch anything, and want to keep it nice. And there's like rubber, in between here, so just be careful with that, and don't lose those. That's it. Took her out. All right, guys, so this is the difference between the OEM, the stock one, and then this is the double bubble zero gravity, like just a smoked. It's not the dark one. So we're gonna have to put these in here to make it easier for us. Like you can see, this way goes in up like that. So just put those in before you put the screen in. It'll make the process a bit easier. All right, Mr. MT10 saving the day. These are kind of difficult to push through, but basically that's how it should look with the threads at the bottom. You just kind of take your time and just push it through. So, Mr. MT10 to the rescue.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, guys. So we got all the little hardware in from the stock windshield, and that's how it should look. The two at the top and then two at the bottom here, and then this one stays right here, so you don't have to worry about that. So we're gonna put her on. All right, guys, so what is that, 10?
Yeah.
So we're gonna loosen these up here at the bottom so we can pull this down when we put the windscreen in. It makes it a bit easier. All right, guys, so that's what we took. The two bolts here out, they're 10s.
It's for the mirrors.
For the mirrors. So you gotta take the mirrors off. And then you see how much flex there is. It's gonna be easier to install the windscreen. Bro. Alright. We're gonna put her in. Kind of help them out a little bit and just pull it up. Just be careful when you guys are putting this in. Let me help them out. Yeah, these are the issue right here for sure. Okay, that one. There we go.
Yeah.
So yeah, once you get those two, it's like it goes in right away. So we're gonna go ahead and put the bolts back. Make sure everything's in between here. Like this sits nice in between that, and that sits nice in between that. All the rubber pieces are in like that, and then you put the bolts back for the mirror. Put the mirror back on, and then put the T screws on for all of these, and then I'll show you the final results.
Real quick.
All right, guys, we got her on. Kind of got to work it through at the bottom, but it's not too bad. It looks, after all said and done, it looks real good. That double bubble And it looks real good without the mirrors, but I've always run the mirrors. I'll probably get like, I don't know, Rizoma. I don't know. I don't really like Rizoma either, but I just run the stock ones. But it looks good. A double bubble. But that's it for this video. If you enjoy the install, like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next video.